We made it to day 50 of our dropshipping challenge, and we've recently just started launching our ads. And if I lost all my savings, or if I'm one step closer to buying my parents a house, let's find out right now. For everyone who's new to this channel, my name is Wu, and my goal with this channel is to earn $1 million online with several online businesses, which you all know. I'm trying to make it as relatable as possible. And the first business we are trying out right now is dropshipping. So if you've clicked on this video, you all already know what dropshipping is. We started this journey exactly 50 days ago as a complete beginner. So I had to learn everything from scratch, and I documented and am gonna document every step possible, which we are going through to make it as relatable as possible. So maybe you guys will start as well. And also we are doing this for me to push myself to deliver. And if you just want to get a recap, just watch the 30-day dropshipping challenge video where I explained everything that I've done so far. So as I've said, I've recently launched Facebook ads like 3 days ago. So we are currently still in the testing phase, but the testing phase will end in a couple of hours, and then we'll analyze everything and then turn off every ad set that is not profitable and try to scale, hopefully, if we have some profitable ads. And honestly, there's not a lot of explaining I need to do because I know you guys are going to skip to the results anyway, so let's get right into it. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed so far and want to follow this journey, click the button below and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this content. It would mean a lot to me and I'd appreciate it a lot. So as you guys see, we started launching our ads on the 20th of August, like 3 days ago. And we've been running it for 3 days right now, and we've spent a total of $184 euros, which is around $200, I think. We have some ad sets already turned off, which had way too high cost per click. As you can see, $199 and $167. So we turned those off after a day, and then we copied ads which were getting some results, like this ad here. It doesn't focus, wait, which got a ROAS of like 3.64 and got 4 sales. We got a lot more sales, but they didn't get tracked by Facebook, which I'll show you guys later. And yeah, we got a couple of sales. We got a little bit excited after the first 2 days because we were really profitable the first day and second day. And I tried to copy in an ad set and put a budget of like 20 euros a day, which didn't get any results. So I got scared like that I am gambling away all my money and I reduced it again to 10 euros a day. But yeah, these are the results. We've got from 2 ad sets, we got sales so far. So yeah, in a couple of hours, we've run all these ad sets for 3 days. And every ad set which didn't get a sale, I'll turn off. Maybe if a cost per click is so cheap, I'll keep it running for another day to see if it gets a sale. If it doesn't, I just turn it off. And then I'll probably try some other interests to just test more ad sets. But after the 3 days, I'll let this run and this run for 2 more days. If they still stay profitable, I will try to scale these 2 ads here. But yeah, let's go into the Shopify analytics. As you guys see, since the 20th of August, like 3 days ago, 4 days ago, we've made a total of $302, which is pretty nice. I'm kind of super satisfied that it actually worked for our first time launching ads. We got total orders were 7. One order had like 3 products because we had an upsell offer where you can order 3 product, buy 3 and save more, like you get a discount. So here you have top selling products, 9 products which we sold. So yeah, I'm kind of really satisfied with the results. It could be better, because, of course, especially because the first 2 days were going so well. We were really profitable, but the last 2 days now, we've only got like 1 sale each day, which was unprofitable because we spent around $50 or more a day on ads. Oh yeah, it says 24th August right now because it is 1 a.m. but that doesn't really count as a day, so it's literally only 3 days. But if we go back to like the last 90 days where we did TikTok organic, which we are still doing by the way, newly now, we've made $380, which is kind of nice. Like for like around 50 days we made $400 extra in revenue. Of course, with all the costs we are a lot lower. So to summarize, so far we've spent around $200 in ads. I'm not 100% sure about the conversion rate, but I think around $200. We've made $302 in revenue, and the product cost and everything and the shipping is around $90. So with the Shopify fees, which are around, let's say $10 or less, we've made a profit in total of $0. So yeah, we made no money at all. Well, if I count the product which we sold through organic, we made a profit in total of like $50, I think, which is fine. Is it? Yeah, it's fine. Why? Because we are just in the testing phase, so we have a lot of ads that were unprofitable, which we will turn off, and the ad sets which are profitable, we will scale those. So hopefully the numbers will look a lot better the next days. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Until then, I wish you guys a great day, a lot of sales, a lot of happiness, and see you guys next time. Bye.